positive. Good morning. Respected principal, benevolent teachers and my dear friends. We, the class 10 students, welcome you for the first ever virtual morning assembly. A new academic year means a fresh start and new opportunities. So let's start with something great. May this year be filled with happiness and good grades. You will ace in everything you put your heart into this new academic year. Let's greet the day with open arms. As we all know, no program can be started without the remembering of Almighty, the creator of whole universe. I welcome my friend Parna Vijit for prayer.
Sahanau Bhunadu Sahaviram Karavavahai Tejasvinavaditamastu Ma Vidhishavahai. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Asatu ma Sadgamaya Tamasu ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Mritangamaya. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada.
Good morning to all. Today's thought is, education is the passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to those who work for it today. Thank you and have a great day.
Good morning. Today's news headlines are read by myself, Medicine. International news. International graduate works file discrimination complaint against IU. UK in earlier stages of third wave of coronavirus warns Indian origin scientists. National news. Maharashtra CM Uddhav said failing to control crowd would result in lockdown. Coronavirus daily test positive rate dips to 9% from 12.7% a week ago. 1.75 crore vaccine doses available with states, says Health Minister. 12,000 fresh cases in Kerala, TPR at 13.8%. Kerala resolution seeks removal of Lakshadweep Administrator. Sports news. The Indian cricketers might be in quarantine ahead of the UK tour. That's all for today's news. Thank you.
Good morning to all. Today's TK questions are: first question. Who are the winners of India Biodiversity Awards 2021? Correct answer: Krishi Avam Paristitiki Vikas Sansthan and Shaji NM. Second question. Which Israeli drone is being leased to India to be deployed over LAC? The correct answer is Heron TP. Third question. In a study, which cells are found in COVID-19 patients bode well for long-term immunity? Correct answer is T-cell. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning to all. Today's new word is convolution. Spelling CONVOLUTION. Meaning a thing that is complex and difficult. At the negative sentence, the road is mostly straight, but there is a combination about halfway through. that we need to be aware of. I will repeat the word collusion. Thank you.
Very warm good morning to all. Today, I'm standing before you to speak a few words on the topic exploring the possibilities of online education. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world, said Nelson Mandela. The concept of traditional education has changed radically within the last couple of years. Now, we are entering to a new era, the revolution of online education. Most professionals found they couldn't continue with their education or upskilling because they couldn't fit studies around their work schedules. Those shifting to online learning platform will find that online learning offers convenience and flexibility in timings. Online education enables the teacher and the student to set their own learning pace. Nowadays, you have access to a quality education whenever and wherever you want as long as you have access to a computer. Online learning allows for better quality interaction between the student and the tutor. Another quality of online education is that most students can enroll and is also cost effective. The lack of pressure from commutes, class timings and personal schedule leaves students with more energy to attend the online classes. So, I would like to conclude my words by saying that online education has brought a positive impact in the lives of students and working professionals. Thank you.
Challenges are gifts which force us to search for a new center of gravitation. Don't fight for them, just find a new way to stand. So let's begin every day with smile, hope and expectation. Grow your knowledge and expand your horizon in this new academic year. Wishing you all a great academic year ahead. Thank you.